Minds4biz Inc., an online business school/employment agency. Business startup, advertisement and marketing, business growth and problem solving. Accountant, tax payment processing. What is business tax payment processing? Business tax payment processing refers to businesses' procedures and systems to calculate, report, and pay their taxes to the relevant tax authorities. Here's a simplified breakdown of the process. Tax calculation. This involves determining the amount of tax owed based on income, expenses, deductions, credits, and applicable tax rates. Tax filing. Businesses must prepare and submit tax returns to the tax authorities. This typically includes detailed financial statements and documentation of income, expenses, and other relevant financial transactions. Payment methods. Payments can be made via various methods such as electronic funds transfer, credit/debit cards, or checks. Some businesses use third-party payment processors to handle these transactions. Compliance and record keeping. Businesses must keep accurate records of their financial transactions and tax filings to comply with regulatory requirements and for auditing purposes. Tax planning. This involves strategizing to minimize tax liabilities and ensure efficient financial planning for future tax obligations. This process helps businesses comply with tax laws and avoid penalties or legal issues. If you have any specific questions about this process or need more detailed information, please ask an accountant. Unlock your business's potential with our comprehensive business support services. We assist with business startup, advertisement, marketing and sales, business growth, and business problem-solving information. Our landing page. On our website, we will answer the following questions. What do you need to know about business tax preparation? What documents do I need to file my small business taxes? What basic tax information is needed to file small business taxes? What income records are needed to file small business taxes? What tax deductions and tax credits can small businesses claim? Small business owners may owe what tax payments? Why is tax payment processing important for your business or organization? What are the step-by-step procedures for processing taxes for your business or organization? What are the benefits of having a CPA do your taxes? It's clear that by reviewing the previous questions, it is best to solicit the assistance of our remote business support service providers who can easily answer the previous business-related questions and make sure that they assist you with tax payment processing for your business or nonprofit organization. Here are the details of what an accountant can do for your business or organization. What do you need to know about business tax preparation? Preparing your small business taxes can be an overwhelming task. Among all the other jobs you have as a business owner, this one is important and has significant ramifications if it isn't done correctly and not on time. Working with a professional tax preparer can be the solution that saves you time and money in the long run. A CPA who is a small business accountant knows IRS tax law and procedures for processing business taxes in a timely fashion. They can make sure you are claiming the credits and deductions available to you. To help the process go smoothly, having all the required documents on hand for your tax preparer is critical. There are documents that you will need to provide for a tax preparer or accountant to file your business taxes with the IRS. What documents do I need to file my small business taxes? Your accountant will need personal information to file taxes on behalf of your small business. There are some slight differences in the information you give your tax preparer depending on the type of business structure you have: sole proprietorship, S-Corp, LLC, or C-Corp. Note, of these business structures, the S-Corporation is the only business structure that makes it possible for its owners to save on Social Security and Medicare taxes. Most small business owners either file a Schedule C with their Form 1040 for individual income tax returns or file both a business and personal tax return. The following list is for both. If you have a pass-through business such as a sole proprietorship or limited liability corporation, LLC, the information needed for your business tax returns includes your personal finance information. What basic tax information is needed to file small business taxes? Prior year return. If you are a new client, having a copy of your last year's tax return helps your tax preparer gather information and calculate certain tax deductions and credits. If you have worked with this accountant previously, they will already have this information. Social Security numbers. Provide the full names of yourself, your spouse, and dependents, if applicable, as they appear on the Social Security cards, as well as Social Security numbers. Home and business addresses. To file small business taxes, the IRS requires you to list a street address on your tax return. Only use a P.O. box if your post office doesn't deliver mail to your home. Future tax planning. If you expect to have any significant changes in the coming year, let your tax professional know. They may have ideas for minimizing your tax bill for the following year. Employer identification number. If your business has a separate EIN, the tax preparer will need this number. What income records are needed to file small business taxes? To file your small business taxes, you should have your income records handy. Such records include the following: W-2s and 1099s, business financial statements, cryptocurrency transactions. What tax deductions and tax credits can small businesses claim? To claim tax deductions and receive tax credits, you will need receipts for the following to file your small business taxes: mileage log, asset purchase details, payroll records, home office, itemized deductions, self-employed health insurance premiums, dependent care expenses, retirement plan contributions, education expenses. Small business owners may owe tax payments. If you made estimated tax payments, resulting in overpaying taxes, you should have these payment logs on hand while filing this year's taxes. Prior year overpayments, estimated payments, extension payments, financial statements. Before filing your small business taxes, your accountant will need basic financial statements, including income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, financial records. In addition to your financial statements, your accountant will need more detail to ensure accuracy and to take advantage of any small business tax deductions for which you may be eligible. Note that some of this information is also listed above. Loan information, asset information, income and expense information, deductible information, health insurance, IRA contributions, home office, mortgage interest, travel, and charitable giving can all be deducted from your business taxes. See list under tax deductions and tax credits. Be sure you provide your tax preparer with the full information to reduce your tax payments. Estimated tax records. Suggestions. Separate your personal and business expenses. You need to keep itemized records of your taxable income and expenses for your business. Be able to produce your bookkeeping, including bank account records showing all cash inflows and outflows. Even if you use personal funds to keep your business afloat, you should still use separate accounts for personal and business expenses. This can save you time when filing your taxes. Complete your year-end accounting. When you complete your accounting year-end, you better understand your annual income and expenses. At this point, you can strategically minimize your taxable income by claiming tax deductions. This is accomplished by looking at your expenses. Understand deductions. The first step in taking advantage of business tax deductions is to keep accurate records of all incurred expenses during the tax year, e.g., cost of goods sold, mileage deductions, home office, insurance premiums, employee pay, and startup costs. All of these can be used as tax deductions. Be aware of tax deadlines. Be sure to brush up on this year's deadlines, including quarterly tax payment due dates and other small business tax deadlines, to avoid missing a payment or deadline. Understand and avoid common tax errors. As a small business owner, you'll want to be informed of the most common tax errors to avoid making them. From selecting the correct business entity to claiming your rightful deductions and making payments on time, you'll want to ensure you're checking all the boxes come tax filing time. Why is tax payment processing important for your business or organization? Compliance. Paying business operation taxes contributes to compliance with business law and tax-paying regulations. If a business doesn't pay its employment taxes, it may be subject to heavy fines or criminal charges. Businesses that file their taxes correctly and on time can avoid these penalties and help ensure a level playing field for all. What are the step-by-step procedures for processing taxes for your business or organization? How to file small business taxes. Step number 1. Gather your records for tax filing. Step number 2. Know what IRS forms you need to file. Step number 3. Fill out your small business tax forms. Step number 4. Know the small business tax deadlines. Step number 5. File for a business tax extension if needed. Step number 6. File small business taxes. Step number 7. Stay on top of small business tax payments. What are the benefits of having a CPA do your taxes? Having a professional CPA look over your return ensures you receive every credit and deduction you qualify for. If the CPA finds something you or your other tax preparer missed, you can file an amendment and get a refund from the IRS for the difference in your taxes. We value your curiosity. If you could ask our business professionals one question, what would you ask them? This stream video presentation was designed to encourage you to go to our company website where we can assist the self-help entrepreneur with tips on what you are paying for when you purchase business support services provided by our remote freelance business professionals. Even though some entrepreneurs wear many hats at startups to focus on running a business well, successful entrepreneurs, microenterprises, small businesses, mid-sized companies, and large corporations select business support services outsourced. Why? They want to delegate duties and responsibilities to business professionals and remote staff to keep up with increased workloads and outsource work assignments and projects to business professionals and staff to reduce business operating expenses so that they can focus on their core reason for conducting business. First-time free consultation. While you may have already chosen one or more of our business support services provided remotely by our business professionals, we understand the importance of a free first-time consultation. Virtual meetings can be used to answer the many questions that most business-minded people have, and this is done free of charge with no obligation to buy at Minds4biz Incorporation. Your online conference meeting with one of our business professionals lets us know your needs and preferences, ensuring that the service order and business proposal we create align with your business-related needs, goals, and aspirations. It also allows you to experience our remote proficient online business support service center and understand how we can add value to your business. During your scheduled virtual conference meeting, you can discuss your business needs, get answers to your business-related questions, and better understand how we can better serve you. Minds4biz Incorporation invites you to take the next step and schedule a remote meeting with our remote freelance business professionals. Click the free consultation button on our website, fill in your details, and select a convenient time for your first virtual meeting with us. Thanks for taking the first step towards enhancing your business operations, and your first meeting with us is free of charge. Why not select business support services provided by one of our independently contracted freelance business professionals today? We eagerly await your response and would love to serve you. Please visit our company website, www.minds4biz.org, to get your business-related questions answered and click on our first-time free consultation button.
Video link.
https://www.minds4biz.org